In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Skype ID. Whether you're trying to stay connected with family and friends or setting up professional meetings, sharing your Skype ID is a fundamental step in making sure you're reachable on this popular communication platform. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once that's up and running, head over to the official Skype website. Upon arrival, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Just follow the instructions and log in. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile photo sitting there. Quietly waiting for your attention, go ahead and click on that photo. This action opens up a new layer of options related to your Skype profile. Now, moving on to the next step, click on your name, which you should see just there beneath your profile picture. This is where things start to get interesting because clicking on your name reveals some valuable information about your account and gives you further options. The moment we've been building up to is here. Look for the option that says Share Profile. It's a straightforward way to allow others to add you on Skype. Once you find it, click on Share Profile. You'll see something that says Copy to Clipboard. Clicking that button copies your Skype ID or link to your clipboard, making it ready to share. What's great about copying your Skype ID to the clipboard is the versatility it offers. You can paste and share this ID via email, social media, text, whatever platform you prefer. It ensures that whoever you're looking to connect with can find you easily on Skype. Remember, sharing your Skype ID is all about making connections, whether with old friends, new acquaintances, or professional contacts. Skype makes communication rich and accessible, and knowing how to share your ID is your ticket to unlocking those valuable interactions. Before wrapping up, a little tip. Always double check who you're sharing your Skype ID with. It's an important piece of your online identity, and while sharing is good, keeping your digital privacy in mind is also key. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to share your Skype ID. Whether you're reconnecting with someone from the past or setting up future meetings, sharing your ID is the first step towards open lines of communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this short guide has been helpful.